Sound.
Action.
Oh my darling Melissa, oh brony Melissa, oh small water, small pizza, oh brony Melissa, oh my darling Melissa, oh brony Melissa, oh small water, small pizza, oh Big Joe Stanner with ya, Big Joe Stanner with ya. Escafoba said the other Big Joe Stanner. I am Winchester. I'm Winchester, Big Joe Stanner with ya, Winchester. Big Joe Stanner with ya. Big Joe Stanner with ya. Oh, have now. That's all you know. Ah, school. The performance
Why? What happened?
I'm very angry, pa.
No.
As I'm performing, this boy, he come with money.
You said you are very what?
I mean, I'm very angry. That's why I push him.
It is
as I
not
come.
Angry.
I don't like that cry.
It is hungry.
You say?
Hungry.
Like what you are saying. I mean, the idea of the performance when I was performing and he angered me. I'm a performer. I don't like somebody to angle me.
What you are saying is wrong.
Huh?
It is angry.
Like I was saying, you know, when I come to stage, I want to be free. I want to be a free artist.
Oh,
you understand?
It is not free. It is free. Like
so,
freedom. Free.
So
what happened?
When you angle me, and then
it is not angry.
Hey! What about for
Hello.
Sam Jimmy Samitina, no from interview, madam. Some Jimmy never said I'm from Tevramo. What about for time? Do microphone. Interview Grammy. Jimmy Namo, more. Oh, virus.
Whoa.
I thought I'm a sobina, and I'm gas and I'm a dinner. Jimmy.
Okay, this is virus, and we all know you was
this is virus
angry. Where in dictionary did we find angry?
We don't know why.
Angry is not possible.
You know, virus has indeed exposed himself, and he's now angry.
As a very
he has been corrected, and
angry comedian.
And you see, it's not fine.